Whiteboard. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. I am not. Okay, I'm going to actually go to the whiteboard. It's the green one. And this board's going to come up and it's going to say, okay, do you want to use some templates or do you want a plain whiteboard? I just want the plain whiteboard, so I'm going to click on the whiteboard right here and behind it. And that little window there should go away. Let's hope it does, because I don't want to use any templates right now. I just want to use the whiteboard. All right, there we go. Oh, here's my tools on the side. So I've got a writing tool that I can use in here. Of course, I can write. Yes, write on the whiteboard. So can your students. Be a great way to show their work. I can add shapes in here, change the colors of the shapes, of course, bigger or smaller. I can even turn them around. Okay, that's pretty nice. I can add lines in here. Okay, I can do squiggly lines, straight lines, whatever it is I like to put in there. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, I can change the color of things in here. So I'm going to change the color to blue. Let's see if it's going to let me do that. I changed the color of the line to blue. Okay. These are sticky notes, so I can put my sticky note in here, up here in the top. Just start writing on the sticky note in there, which is kind of nice as well. I can add text in here, and you'll see my name at the bottom there because I'm the one that created it. So this would be great for students. If you had kids that were in here, you'd get to see who did what if you're having them work in teams. You can add grids in here, and of course you can add text in there. All different kinds of things that you can put onto this whiteboard. So this is a great tool for kids and for you to be able to see who did what, as well as keep everything kind of confined into one location. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Canva.